Hi, in front of me is UMIDIGI Power, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply lightning edges on this device. Firstly, open Play Store and type edges. Now download this app from this developer. Open it and click on one of these themes, for example that one. Name it, choose OK Creative and close the nut. Over here you can customize your edges however you want to. For example, you can change run style, add pattern, change animation speed, border size, or even adjust it to the notch. When you're done but you want to leave your current wallpaper, tap on one of these sources like photos, select the photo, adjust it, and click at the top right corner. Choose Create, tap on the theme that you created and choose Enable Wallpaper. Then click Set Wallpaper at the top right corner and decide if you want it to be on home screen or home screen and lock screen by tapping on one of the options. Now when I go back, I can see that my edges were successfully applied. But if you wanna see them when you use apps, you can go back into the app, choose Home, scroll all the way down and tap on the switcher next to Enable Overlay Other App. Click Yes, tap on the switcher, go back, and sometimes you have to go back into the app, so I will do that right now. Click Home again, scroll down and tap on the same switcher one more time. As you can see, now I can see my edges when I use apps. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe.